Hey guys, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel here at the Sapphire Falls Resort at Universal Properties, room number 2149. This is an entry-level accessible room. Just want to give you guys a quick little room tour. As you can see, there's a doorbell here, and we come in. Again, a pretty simple room. Nothing real fancy about it. Got a closet, iron, a safe for all your stuff, ironing board. Got a bathroom, obviously with the toilet, hair dryer, sink. Again, that accessible shower. As you can see, makeup mirror. Again, pretty simple. 2 queen beds. Again, this room has been used by us, so I apologize. It's not in pristine condition. You've got a TV. You've got a pass-through here if you want connecting rooms. You know, you want to put the kids in one room and yourself in another room. You've got a Keurig coffee maker, which is nice. You've got a desk if you got some work you need to get done. And here's your view from this lower level room in terms of, it's on the first floor. I think it's called a second guest house area. And this is also a dog walking area. So they do accept pets in certain rooms, and this is the area that pets will be allowed to be walked, I guess. So kind of nice little room, clean, simple. Again, at the Sapphire Falls at Universal. Again, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel, guys. For more information, please call Kelly Furtado at 401-338-9278. Or you can reach her by email at kellyfurtado@anchorsawaytravelri.com. Or you can find us on the web at anchorsawaytravelri.com. Hopefully you like this video. Please like it below if you do. And have a great day.